How to transfer Bitcoin to Cash App. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can transfer Bitcoin to Cash App, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you want to transfer Bitcoin to Cash App, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all launch Cash App here. Now you can send money from here, from this particular page, but if you want to send Bitcoin from here, you can see USD. From USD just change to Bitcoin. Now if you have someone's Bitcoin's wallet address's QR code, you can simply scan the QR code by tapping the scan icon here, scanning the QR code and then sending them Bitcoin to their address. Or if you don't have Bitcoin, you will be asked to buy Bitcoin. After you buy Bitcoin, you will be able to change to Bitcoin tab from here, send them with the amount of Bitcoin that you want to send, and then you should be able to transfer Bitcoin to Cash App. This way you can transfer Bitcoin to Cash App. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.